Hi, this is from D Company. I hope you guys were doing well. There is lots of candidates in the market right now who are searching for a job. So the job market is open now. There is no need to worry. So keep searching on, guys. I hope you guys will achieve it. And in the last week, we already recruited some candidates for the customer service executive and sales executive and for the data entry post. And right now we have some new vacancies also. The first position is open for the GP doctor females, and the work location will be in Najman. So the doctors who is having MOH or DSA license can apply for this post, and the salary package they are offering is 12,000, and it was a medical center. And there is opening for the nurse also who is having MOH or DSA license. It was in a medical center itself, so the salary package they are offering is 3,500 to 5,000. The work location will be in Ajman. So those who are interested can apply for this post also. And the next position is open for the receptionist post. For this one, females and males also can apply. The work location is is it in Ajman. It is in a healthcare itself. So the salary package they are offering is 2,500 to 3,500. So the candidates who are presentable and who is having good communication skills also can apply for this post. And the next post is open for the pharmacist. Both male and female can apply for this post. The work location is in Ajman. MOH license is mandatory for this post, and the salary package they are offering is 3,500 to 5,000. And the next position is opened for the sales executive. It was in a shipping company, so the work location is in Abu Dhabi. The candidates who are having on car can apply for this post, and the salary package they are offering for this position is 5,500. Both male and female can apply for this post. And the next position is open for the operation executive, and candidates who is having experience of 2 to 3 years in UAE itself can apply for this post. And the work location will be in Dubai, and the salary package they are offering is 5,500 itself, and it was also a shipping company. And the next position is open for the immigration consultant. For this vacancy, they prefer female candidates. The salary package they are offering is 2,200 to 2,500. The work location is in Dubai itself. And the next position is open in a restaurant. It was for the bike delivery boy. The salary package they are offering is 2,000 plus accommodation and food. The work location is in Dubai itself. So those who are having bike driving license can apply for this post. And in Abu Dhabi, a chocolate company needs two cashiers. For that, they prefer Nepalese and Filipinos. The salary package they are offering is 2,500. So those who are interested for applying these vacancies can work directly to our office. Our office timing is morning 9 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. And it is not possible to pick all the phone calls because we are receiving lots of calls and lots of candidates were there. So we prefer candidates who will be able to work in our office. So interested candidates can apply for this position also, and we are mentioning the office address here.